Whole case display. Cut off the packing tape. Remove the fixing screws. Remove wooden box. Machine accessories display. Remove the fixing screws of the body and accessories. Use a forklift to lift the machine. Accessories box items display. Ready to assemble vertical legs and beams. Remove the screws in the corresponding holes on the beam. The beams correspond to the vertical leg holes. Fix the screws on the front of the vertical leg corresponding to the hole of the beam. Fix the screw on the side of the vertical leg corresponding to the hole of the beam. Install the vertical leg and the body connection bracket. Be careful not to install the screws tightly first. Install the other vertical leg and beam in the same way. Prepare to install the take-up system. Install the take-up bracket. Remove the cover fixing screws. Remove the bracket cover. Fix take-up bracket. Place a pipe on both ends of the take-up bracket. Install another pipe and put it into the take-up bracket. When installing the take-up into the round tube, be careful not to install it backwards. Install the take-up cover and fasten it with screws. Install the feeding bracket. The installation steps refer to the installation of the take-up system. Install the feeding system. Be careful not to install them upside down. Install the bracket cover and fasten it with screws. Install the waste ink bottle bracket and fasten it with screws. Put the waste ink bottle into the bracket. Remove the pre-installed brackets on both sides of the bottom of the body. Use a forklift to install the body and vertical legs. Note that the positioning hole under the body is aligned with the positioning pin on the vertical leg. Use screws to fix the body and the vertical legs tightly. Fix the body and the bottom connecting bracket. Fix the screws on the side of the connecting bracket tightly. Install drying system. Remove the screws corresponding to the position of the control box on the vertical leg. Remove the fixing screws on the control box. Open the control box cover. Install the dryer power control box. Install the control box cover and fasten it with screws. Remove the screws corresponding to the position of the dryer bracket on the vertical leg. Install the dryer bracket and fasten it with screws. Install the external dryer and fasten the screws at both ends. Connect the dryer power cable to the control box. Insert the waste ink tube into the waste ink bottle. Connect the waste ink alarm signal line. Connect the dryer smart signal line. Install the computer stand. Remove the screws corresponding to the position of the display bracket on the body. Install the display bracket and fix it with screws. Install the mouse and keyboard bracket. Adjust the feet until the level is level. H1 installation finished.